triangle ABC. A line BC. A line is drawn parallel to one of the sides of a triangle, divides the other two sides in the same ratio. If a line is drawn parallel to one of the sides of a triangle, divides the other two sides in the same ratio. Hello, is it clear? हेलो, क्लियर दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir.
हेलो, if a line is drawn parallel to one of the sides of a triangle, one of the sides of a triangle divides the other two sides in the same ratio. To prove, ये statement है given. Note down the given triangle ABC be a triangle in which DE is parallel to BC. To prove AD by DB is equal to AE by BC. Triangle ABC भी है, triangle ABC be a triangle in which DE is parallel to BC. D is parallel to BC. To prove AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Construction. Draw DF and EG. Draw DF perpendicular on AC and draw EG perpendicular on AB. Perpendicular on AB. Also join B and BC. Also join BE and EC. BE and CD. BE and CD. Prove. Area of triangle ABE upon area of triangle DEB. DE is equal to half into base. Base is here AB. AB into altitude EG. Altitude EG upon half into base DB or BD into altitude EG. Half of cancel EG cancel is equal to AD by BD is equal to AD by BD. AD by B AD by BD. Also, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle EDC is equal to half into AAE into GS, altitude GS upon half into base EC into altitude GS. Half of cancel, GS cancel is equal to AE upon EC. AE upon EC. AE upon EC. Area of triangle DEB is equal to area of triangle EDC by theorem area of a triangle, area of triangles on the same base, between the same parallel, are equal. Note down it. Area of triangle DEB is equal to area of triangle EDC by theorem. Area of triangle on the same base between the same parallels are equal. Therefore AD by BD is equal to AE by EC. Prove. AD by BD is equal to AE by EC. Prove. This theorem is known as basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. Next. हेलो हेलो हेलो
चल
चलो आज स्कूल से पढ़ा रहे हैं, बारिश में यहीं गिराए गए थे।
कल भी पढ़ाएंगे स्कूल से। हाँ
हेलो
चल
अब बोलो।
कल भी पढ़ाएंगे स्कूल से।
नहीं, आज बारिश में फंसे हुए हैं।
हाँ
State and to convert of BPT. State and to convert of BPT or test current. Convert of BPT or test current. Let ABC be a given value. If a line is BE, if a line BE divides the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then prove that the line BE is parallel to the third side. If a line divides a statement, if a line divides the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Hello. Note down the statement. Note down the statement. Note down the statement. If a line divides the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then line is parallel to the third side. Given triangle ABC in which AD by BB is equal to AE by EC. Given ABC in which AD by AE is equal to AD by BC is equal to AE by EC. To prove BE is parallel to BC. BE is parallel to BC. D is parallel to BC. Note down it quickly. Note down it quickly. हेलो, नोट कर लिया सर?
यस सर, हो गया।
ABC DE given AD by BD is equal to AE by EC. Construction. Let DE is not parallel to BC. Therefore, let DF is parallel to BC. DF is parallel to BC. True. DF is parallel to BC. Since DF is parallel to BC, therefore, by Third theorem, AD by DB is equal to AF by FC. AD by DB is equal to AF by FC. Hello? Since by first and second AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, therefore by first and second AE by BC is equal to AF by FC. AE by EC is equal to AF by FC. This implies AE by EC plus 1 is equal to AF by FC plus 1. हम दोनों तरफ 1 ऐड कर सकते हैं. हेलो, दोनों तरफ हमने 1 ऐड किया. So this implies AE plus EC by EC is equal to AF plus FC by FC. AE plus EC is equal to AC by EC is equal to F plus FC AC by EC. This implies EC is equal to FC. This implies EC is equal to FC, or it is only possible. It is only possible when E and F coincide each other. Therefore, DF is equal DF coincides to DE, and hence DE is parallel to BC. If we have considered DF is parallel to BC, therefore DE is parallel to BC. True. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
आप
sir.
समझ गए?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कन्वर्स कल नहीं पता थे, आज समझ गए. अब देखो कितना टाइम बच रहा है. हेलो?
Sir, 9 minutes.
9 मिनट। ओके, अब चलो इस पर एक सवाल देख लो, मिटा दें?
Yes, sir.
मिटा
मिटा
दें?
दीजिए। Yes, sir.
That's all.
In a triangle ABC, X 5, AC is equal to 7, and AE is equal to 3. जल्दी निकालो तो, निकाल लोगे साहब? निकाल लोगे? अब देखो,
Yes.
हाँ, DE is parallel to BC. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. Therefore, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. अब देखो, यदि ये AC 7 है और AE 3 है तो BC कितना हो जाएगा? 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. ठीक है? और पोर्शन तुम लोग को मालूम है ना? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Linear equation.
Yes.
पोर्शन मालूम है? लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अब देखो, AD is equal to X, BB is equal to 5, AE is equal to 3 upon 4. So therefore, X is equal to 15 by 4 दिया हुआ है सर। समझ गया सर? हेलो?
Yes.
समझ गया साहब?
Sir.
चलो दूसरा क्वेश्चन देखो,
Yes.
मिटा दें? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
जल्दी लिखो।
मिटा दीजिए।
ओके, थ्री फाइव note down in triangle ABC, AB is equal to 5, BC is equal to AB is equal to 6, BC is equal to 8. BC is equal to 8. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. निकालोगे?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कैसे? AC is equal to under root 6 square plus 8 square is equal to under root 100 is equal to 10. AC is equal to 10 means x is equal to 7 और x is equal to मान लो 7 तो BD is equal to x is equal to so therefore BC is equal to 7. DC is equal to ठीक है कितना टाइम बचा है
सर 3 मिनट है
3 मिनट है तो आज यही कंक्लूड करते हैं ठीक है कल सब अच्छे से
यस सर
कॉपी
सर आप ही तो सेंड करेंगे ना
में ही भेजना है
सर आपके ग्रुप में ना
10GH मैथमेटिक्स ग्रुप 10GH
यस सर उसे में
आप
भेज
दोनों 10G और 10H इधर उधर नहीं भेजोगे ये तो मुश्किल होता है
यस सर